Okay, just woke up, but before I leave this hotel room, I gotta show you the best thing about it. It's daytime right now. See, that's the daytime outside. Yeah. This is the hotel bathroom. This is my bathroom window. There's home sweet home.